Hello, welcome to the channel. This is Santosh. 100 things to do on WordPress. If you haven't watched these videos, don't skip them. Look at all these videos first and then come here because these 100 things are in order. In the last video, I showed you how to add the search bar. In this video, I'll show you how to create a sitemap. It helps search engines index the site. Shall we begin? Okay. Go to your WordPress site. In the last step, we added in the previous steps, right? We installed an extension called as SEO Yoast, right? Or rank map, which was 18 point. We installed this. This extension creates the sitemap for you guys. So I will show you how to go ahead and find that and how to configure it. If it is not configured, go to SEO, Yoast SEO and go to general. When you go to general, you will see the first time things over here. There are no scores at the moment, but what I want to look at is the settings. If you scroll down a little where it says let me find it over here, it should say XML Sitemaps. Okay, this feature is enabled over here by default. If this is not enabled, you need to enable it like this and the sitemaps get enabled. You can also click on this button which will open the sitemap for your particular website. On my particular website, it is on ecotails.np.uk/sitemap-index.xml. Okay, so that is how you create, you update a sitemap basically. Sitemap is automatically updated once you go ahead and add a post. It will be on the sitemap itself. Um, Other platforms also show you the pages that the sitemap has. For example, the pages, do you see this? These are the pages that are there on the sitemap as well. And WordPress also supports this particular feature. These pages will be indexed by the sitemap once the uh, once the WordPress is discovered by popular search engines such as Google, Microsoft, Yahoo, and Yandex. Okay, so understood, guys? Okay, very good. Now you can also install rank map if you want, or AIO SEO. You can also install this if you want. It also has sitemaps feature. Um, so that concludes this particular video, which is on creating sitemaps for WordPress. Thank you so much for watching.